up, guys? Today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to use the new Gunblade. Yeah, the new Gunblade weapon in Roblox files, right? So as you can see behind me, this is how it looks like. I played with it a little bit. As you can see, it's hold on, let me get it. It's level 8. Alright, and yeah, I'm trying to get that to level 10. And by the end of this video, I'm trying to get a 15 win streak as well. So if you haven't already, make sure to like, subscribe, guys. You see it at the top left, top right. Just make sure to do it, alright? It makes my life way easier, and it makes your life easier. So yeah, enough yapping, and yeah, I'll see you guys then. Alright, guys. So the loadout is Gunblade, Shorty, Scythe, and Freezer, and I'm about to show you guys why it is. Alright. So yeah, let me just demonstrate it. Oh. There's a shotgun. Oh, let me just hit a shot. I haven't played this game in a long time. There you go. See what a double dash? Freeze ray. But just hit it, unlike me. Dead. So after he's freeze rayed, I'm guessing you know what the shorty's for. Just pump them right in their head. So yeah, I did not get the freeze ray on him, but we'll do it next time. Bro, why am I so bad? 50! Whoa! Okay, that's just... well, that's just like... okay, I'm missing every shot, bro. Come here, boy! We finished them off with a scythe. Yo. Another OP combo would be Battle Axe of this instead of the scythe, but I'll show you guys that in the next match. There it is. I mean, it was coming. Yep, it was definitely coming. The controller / mobile starter pack. The sniper, revolver, katana, and the medkit. That's just the starter pack. Is he trying to win? Finally. Let's go. Oh my gosh. We were supposed to gain height, but he was just gonna go over there and just headshot snipe me, so there's no point in that. You're just gonna give me free kill. Alright, that wasn't a free kill. I swear, if he gets a headshot snipe, I'm quitting. Alright, we got him. But look at this movement. We can just travel like 3/4 of the map with this. That's so quick. Alright, he's about to lose. Yes! Oh, he left the game. Yo, let's go. Well, that's our first win. Let's go on to the next match. Alright, guys, so the next combo, as I said, is Gunblade, Shorty, Battle Axe, and then we want to do freeze ray. Alright, this guy said, can you give me 5 win? You have to win first, alright? So you want to shoot him like that? Look, 100 damage. I don't know if you guys saw that, but that was 100 damage right there. I did the slash and the battle axe at the same time, so we can do 100 damage. And this guy's just worried about me gifting him. Buddy, you should be worried about the win right now. Nope, he's going in his own flames. Come here, boy. 50. Uh-oh. Yes, he's won. Yes! Let's go. 2-0. Let's go. Bro, this guy's about to get destroyed, man. You gotta win. Come on, you gotta get that skip case. You gotta win. That's the only thing. You just gotta win. Come on, buddy. 40. Oh no. Please no, bro. And now you're dead. Oh, never mind. Is he using flamethrower? know what kind of combo is that. It's an interesting combo for real. I told him if win. Buddy, don't you know I can just do this? He's so confused. You get a gift? If win, I gift. Well, that just hashtag. Is he just gonna cap there with his riot shield? Well, that's not a good combo. Oh, he's won. Woo, that almost killed me, but let's go. We only got 2 more wins to go. I'm not gonna lie, I think I like the battle axe strategy a little bit better. Why is he just standing? Dude, you good? Well, you'll get ended by a battle axe. Yo, I don't think this guy's I think his PC's not working. My controls, exactly. I was like, what is happening with my mouse? Yo, I'm sorry, but you're dead. There's nothing you can do. And now you're getting smacked. Bro, I'm about to get a free win. I mean, I'm kind of fine with that, but like... Wait, are his controls good now? I don't think so. Oh, you alright, buddy? Buddy, do you need some help? You know what? I'll boost him. Does that help? Oh, smack! Yo. Oh, I feel so bad. My controls! I feel you, buddy. I feel you. Okay, he's moving. He's moving. Oh, he's back to no movement. And yeah, you know what else he's back to? Back to heaven. Yo, this guy's the funniest man I've ever seen in my life. Even though his controls are like not good, he said end me. Well, I'll end you in style, buddy. The 1, 2, 3 combo, alright? Oh, he just... Oh. And then... Boom! 100 and boom! GG's! Anyway, we're gonna go to our last match and I'll see you guys there. For the last match, guys, we're gonna be going back to the Scythe, alright? So, let's just... Oh, shit! Alright, now my shots ain't hit it. Alright, now they hit. Come on, buddy, where are you going? He's dead. Alright, just 4 more rounds of this pure torture. Oh, he left. Literally just left. Well, I mean, I'll take it. We got a 15 win streak. I guess that last match doesn't count, alright? Because he literally just left the game. As soon as I killed him. Is this guy Squid Game's character? Yo, what's good, bro? Bink! Well, that was delayed. What's this? Hello, buddy. Bye-bye, buddy. 168? I did like over 200 damage to my guy. Yo, please don't leave. Please, bro. You know what? I'm gonna give them a round so they don't leave. That's what I have to do, alright? So they won't leave. Yo, buddy. Yo, right here. Yeah, good job, buddy. Woo! You're so good, buddy. Alright, now he shouldn't leave. He should have this, like, I don't know, potential that I never would have, alright? He's just too confident now. Look at him! Look how confident he is! Uh-oh. I can see why. Oh! That is the biggest! Oh! Yo! That is the best freeze rate ever. Alright, if you're watching this video, you have to like and subscribe. That's the best freezer you'll ever see in your entire life. Holy. That was so good. And we just did clutch again. But yo, I was like in the air, he was like over here, and I threw my freezer with a boom, and I hit him. That was actually insane. How does that know that? Oh, I'm scared of him. He has a shotgun. I don't. I wish I could use that mobile starter package. Can we make the clutch? Yes, we can. And yeah, one more round to go, and we have basically a 16-win streak. But that last round, bro, like he was just AFK. Alright, now you're dead. Sorry, buddy. It's all over. 16-win streak, one more than our usual goal. But anyways, guys, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to drop a like and subscribe, because I hope I showed you guys a good method to use the gunblade. And yeah, I'm Mark, and I'm out. Peace.